Hey guys, the rapid progress of artificial intelligence has captured widespread attention and sparked intense debates. While some individuals express concerns that AI could potentially lead to the downfall of humanity, others hold optimistic views, believing that it has the potential to create even better society. Regardless of which perspective one aligns with, it is undeniable that businesses have been utilizing AI technology to screen job applicants for several years. The adoption of AI in the hiring process has become increasingly prevalent, and job seekers can leverage this innovative tool to their advantage. Whether one is seeking a career change or looking to supplement their income, AI presents practical and valuable opportunities for individuals in their job search. But before this video, guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Now, here is how artificial intelligence can help you to find a job. The first one is searching for open job positions. It's possible that you are already benefiting from the power of artificial intelligence in your job search without even realizing it. The prominent job search platforms such as LinkedIn, Monster, ZipRecruiter, and others all employ AI algorithms to facilitate the process of connecting job seekers with relevant job opportunities. These platforms leverage AI technology to match candidate profiles with open positions, making the search more efficient and tailored to individual qualifications and preferences. Furthermore, AI-powered platforms often offer additional features to enhance the job search experience. They may provide resume optimization tools, interview preparation guidance, and insights into market trends, giving candidates a competitive edge and helping them present their best selves to potential employers. The second one can help you identify the skills needed. If you find yourself interested in a particular job but uncertain about whether you meet all the necessary requirements, you can turn to AI platforms for guidance and insights. By posing questions to an AI platform such as ChatGPT or similar systems, you can inquire about the qualifications and skills needed for specific roles. For instance, you could ask, what skills does a marketing director typically possess? AI platforms have been trained on vast amounts of data and can provide valuable information regarding the knowledge, experience, and expertise typically expected for various job positions. Moreover, AI platforms can offer personalized assistance by analyzing your work history. By sharing your professional background with an AI platform, you can request insights regarding the skills you likely possess based on your previous roles and experiences. For instance, you could ask the AI, based on my work history, what skills do you think I have? Another one is research prospective companies. Artificial intelligence has emerged as a potential ally for job seekers in their quest to research prospective companies. While a straightforward approach is to inquire about the top organizations in a particular field, the true power of AI lies in its capacity to delve deeper into data and provide comprehensive insights. One of the remarkable advantages of leveraging AI is its ability to mine and analyze vast amounts of data. By employing AI, you can gain access to a wealth of information from various sources, including company websites, employee reviews, news articles, and social media platforms. This wealth of data allows you to obtain a more holistic view of a company's culture, financial performance, and historical background. Another one is AI may write your resume. When it comes to writing a resume, artificial intelligence can serve as a valuable tool, especially in overcoming writer's block and generating ideas. Writing a resume is often seen as a tedious task, but AI platforms can provide assistance by generating content that can be used as a starting point for your resume. By prompting an AI platform with specific information about a previous job you held, you can obtain a response that can be molded and adapted into your resume. However, it is important to know that relying solely on AI to write your resume is not recommended. While AI can be helpful in generating initial content, it is not flawless and can make mistakes. Relying solely on AI-generated content without double-checking and revising it can potentially hinder your chances of securing the desired job. Another one is AI may write a cover letter. Artificial intelligence demonstrates exceptional capabilities in generating content based on the prompts you provide, making it an excellent tool to find inspiration. When faced with the challenge of writing a cover letter, AI can prove to be incredibly useful. By entering a simple prompt such as write a cover letter for an IT director, you can witness the algorithm's creative output and gain fresh ideas. However, as I have mentioned before, AI algorithms are not flawless and can make mistakes or produce content that lacks a personal touch. It is essential to thoroughly review and edit the generated text to ensure it reflects your voice, personality, and unique qualifications. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Guys, have you tried using artificial intelligence before? Leave your comments down below. So guys, if you like this video, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.